Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by ensuring you have tenant admin or site owner rights and the correct Sharepoint plan. That gives you needed features. Once done, create a communication or team site and pick a modern template so web parts are available. Then enable site pages and lists in site settings and add an owners group for governance. This sequence gets you from permissions to a ready container quickly, so you can add interactivity without running into disabled features or permission errors later. Now you add interactive building blocks. You insert list, Microsoft Forms, Power Apps, and embed web parts on pages. Each one handles a specific interaction like data capture or custom UI. Make sure to configure list metadata and custom views so filtering and grouping work. That improves UX and performance. Then connect Power Automate flows to list events to automate approvals or notifications. By linking web parts and flows, you turn static content into responsive workflows that react to user input. Finish by setting granular permissions and using audience targeting so users see relevant content. You then test every interaction as different roles and on mobile to catch UI or permission gaps. This validates behavior under real conditions. Make sure to monitor Power Automate run history and list item permissions for errors. If something breaks, first verify user permissions, clear browser cache, and inspect flow run details. Those steps resolve most issues and get
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.